Ms. Universe International 2025. OFW Pageantry Hong Kong and Macau edition was presented to you at Chongming Cam Theatre Macau, and in cooperation with Nariag Group of Association in Macau and our head sponsor MGI Ms. Gloria Diaz, in cooperation with Barbie House, World of Barbie, and Ken International. Brought to you by MDM Essentials by Marie Madura from Philippines, and in cooperation by Ms. Universe Hong Kong 2022, Ms. Jessette Ebeldoni, and with Ms. Marissa Cortez from Thailand, in cooperation with Ms. Grand International 2024 Neela Tusoi, and with Lilybeth Baggy in Macau, in cooperation with our principal sponsor, Ms. Tony Cho in Macau, and with Ms. Jessa Lopez from Hong Kong, Lilia Ferreira Montero in Macau, and Ms. Michelle Truces in Macau, an out-sponsor from Indonesia, Ms. Ida, and with Ms. Lovely Sullivan in Macau. Major sponsor Ms. Leonila Viri in Macau, in cooperation with Ms. Gina Ting Sun from Hong Kong, and in cooperation with our major sponsor Ms. Claire Gillett in Macau, and in cooperation with Ms. Virginia Relite, our major sponsor from Macau, and Ms. Jenna Gentianos, our sponsor from Hong Kong, and in cooperation with Yell Arkels from Macau, and with our sponsor Mr. Julius Francis Fuson in Macau, in cooperation with Ms. Sophia Anna, our Miss World Hong Kong 2023 Grand Winner, and Ms. Crystal May Fabin, former MGI runner-up, and in cooperation with Ms. Mika Kashmir Guidati, former Ms. Iconic Universe Macau 2024 runner-up, in cooperation with Ms. Perry Mangulab from Hong Kong. Brought to you by Gen X Cargo in Macau, in cooperation with Ms. Geraldine Lagancia from Hong Kong, and Ms. Sylvia Rees from Macau, former Benebening Pahias 2011 Grand Winner, in cooperation with Ms. Desideria Tina in Macau. Brought to you by ANAC Philippine Bread, Food and Kitchen, in cooperation with Nariag founder Mr. Gil Bagyon. Brought to you by DC Cafe Macau, and Ms. Dia Quijano at DC Orientawan S Beauty Lounge and Aesthetics in Hong Kong, in cooperation with Ms. Mercy Granada, Angela's Cafe, and brought to you by Vita Plus Ambassadors Macau, in cooperation with Mr. Benji Chua and Ms. Jenny Tatat in Macau, and in cooperation with Ms. Jessica Palmer from Indonesia, and Ms. Crystal Kim Manarak, our Ms. World International 2024, MU Queen of Usherette Julie Marie Flores, MU Queen of Usherette Ms. Alma Adala, and MU Queen of Usherette Ms. Mara Zin, MU Queen of Usherette Jancine Ruiz, and Queen Ushered Ms. Eliza Galdiano, Queen of Usherette Ms. Red Lip, and MU Queen of Usherette Ms. Beth Cabo, Queen of Usherette Ms. Sheila May Solano from Hong Kong, Queen of Usherette Ms. Jocelyn Dayak, and Queen of Usherette Ms. Jenny Rose Rotoni, MU Queen of Usherette Ms. Jean Tine, and Queen Ushered Ms. Roselle Swan, and Ms. Jenny Duran, Queen of Usherette from Macau, Ms. Universe candidate Ms. Merida Castro from Batangas, candidate Raus Ramirez from Pangasinan, candidate Catherine Perilla from Oriental Mindoro, candidate Agami Shumagang from Cotabato City, candidate from Antipolo City Mary Grace Lapine, candidate Janice Gestoso from Palawan, candidate Evelyn Exclamado Cagayan de Oro, candidate Ching Bautista from General Santos City, candidate from Pangasinan Cia Perez, candidate Tanya Stefani from Macau, candidate Katarina Du Vale from Macau, candidate from Pangasinan Laney Rosario, candidate Jenilyn Gabin from Teresa Rizal, candidate Annalyn Calabio from Cagayan Valley, candidate from Ilocos Norte Catalina Rubio, candidate from Bohol Melu J, candidate from Cabancalan City Angie Kasitsid, candidate from Baikal Jenpong, and candidate from Manila Apple Camas, candidate from Baguio City Luthi KC, and candidate from Tarlac Maricris Sulan. Event tabulator Ms. Ivy May Picairo, event official photographer Ms. Avril. Our event host Mr. Tony Bartolome, Ms. Drew Paris, and Mr. Carlos Jr. Castillon.
Taus Pusong Nag Papasalamat Sa Inyong Laha Pageant Organizer Ms. Angel, Daghang Salamt.